Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about 10 common challenges whenever we are trying to do regression testing. I'll be discussing in detail about these 10 challenges. The first challenge we normally face while doing regression testing is it is totally a time consuming process, because as a number of test cases increases, if it is a bigger application, definitely you will have a huge set of test cases. When the test cases becomes very huge, and maintaining that as well as running those test cases involves a time consuming process. And the second challenge is resource intensive. Resource intensive is nothing but both from human being plus the test environment, test data. All these things is involved whenever we are trying to do regression testing. We have to be very careful in all these aspects. Like the third aspect is test case maintenance is also very huge problem, as we discussed earlier. As the application grows, and maintaining that test suite and updating that test suite regularly as and when the code changes is happening, that becomes very challenging for the testers. And the fourth aspect is test data management is also very challenging, especially if it is involved performing complex scenarios. And the fifth one is dependency between one module to the another module, or one component to the another component, can also create complex situation that may leads to incomplete testing as well if there is a dependency between one area to the another. And also sixth major challenges associated with the regression testing is selection of test cases is also a big challenge, because we have to choose the right set of test cases in a regression cycle, because as and when the code is getting changed, we have to choose the right set of test cases to be executed to consider the balance of coverage plus efficiency as well. And the seventh one is maintaining the automated scripts as well, a big challenge. Apart from manual test cases execution, we should also look on maintaining these automated scripts when your application grows and number of test cases also grows. And the eighth one is continuous integration challenges also we can expect while performing regression testing. That includes test execution timing as well as synchronization issues also we may face. The ninth one is prioritization of issues. Prioritizing which test cases to run based on the changes, risk and criticality can be changing, may lead to inadequate coverage as well, because prioritization is a key, because we have limited resources and we have to take care of many aspects whenever we are trying to prioritize the regression test suite. And the last but not the least is environment stability. Environment is a key thing in regression testing. We should be mimicking the production environment or mirror-like environment in testing regression test suite. If you are not able to mirror production environment, then we may get into a lot of challenges whenever we release the product to the customer, and we may get lot of production issues later. So that is why the test environment plays very crucial role in regression testing. These are some of the 10 important challenges which we normally face while we are trying to do regression testing.